The Supreme Court has refused to stay Puja in Vyas Ji ka Tehkhana. The Supreme Court, in fact, has ordered status quo as of today, which means that the puja will continue with no further changes or alterations till the next date of hearing, which is the 3rd week of July. Let me quickly go across to Harish joining us with more details. Harish, there are several complaints that have come in from the masjid side as far as the ongoing legal battle around Gyanvapi is concerned, and this latest verdict coming in the favor of the mandir side.
Yes, that's right, Kasveen. In fact, Senior Advocate Uzaifa Ahmadi, who had appeared for the Anjuman Intizamiya Masjid, that is the managing committee of the Gyanvapi Mosque, said that bit by bit, piece by piece, they are losing possession of the Gyanvapi Mosque. First, it was the Wazukhana area which was sealed after a shivling structure was found, and now we are losing the possession of the cellar part. And but today the Supreme Court said that till we decide whether the entire area surrounding the cellar is also part of the mosque, to balance both the interests of Hindus and the Muslims, the Supreme Court in fact validated the Varanasi court's order, which was upheld by the Allahabad High Court, that the Vyas family can be allowed to worship and conduct Puja in the Vyas Ji ki Tehkhana, that is the south cellar of the Gyanvapi Mosque. At the same time, Muslims also have been allowed to perform namaz in the entire area. And in fact, remember, there was a fresh petition in the Varanasi court which said that the area above the cellar is very weak and Muslims should not be allowed to perform namaz on that floor. So that has not been allowed. In fact, that has not been allowed by the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court says in this order that it is balancing the interests of both Hindus and Muslims, and upheld the Varanasi court order, which was upheld by, endorsed by the Allahabad High Court, which said that continued wrong was perpetuated on the Vyas family because they were conducting puja till 1993, and through an oral order, Mulayam Singh Yadav government had stopped the puja, and in fact an arbitrary action of the state cannot be allowed, and the petitioners cannot be allowed to fall victim to such arbitrary orders. This was what the High Court said. Supreme Court has not tampered with, interfered with that order, and therefore, which means that the Vyas family, that is the Hindu petitioners, can continue to perform puja in the south cellar of the Gyanvapi Mosque. At the same time, Muslims can also perform namaz wherever they were performing namaz.
And once again, the masjid side did cite the Places of Worship Act and how this is in violation of the same. Many thanks, Harish, for joining us with the latest. That's a big setback once again for the masjid side. We head into a quick commercial break for now. We'll be right back with the other top stories on the other side.